Well, hey there, and welcome to yet another one of my cheesy YouTube videos. On this video, we are going to replace the pull cord on a Briggs and Stratton Intek 206 engine. It's a 7-horse. I'm actually in the process of troubleshooting, getting it running, and the cord broke. Go figure. So, Briggs can sell you this whole assembly, and if you buy the assembly, you can just drill out the rivets and replace it. I'm taking the entire shroud out. I'm going to try to just replace the string. I pulled this cover off, which set across here, and it was 1, 2, 3 8mm bolts pulled that cover off. One of the bolts holds the clamp, which holds the cable for your throttle, and then you just work your plastic piece past the throttle. Then there are 4 bolts that hold the fuel tank on. 1, 2, and 2 and back. 10mm takes those out, and I'm just scooting the fuel tank back. I may not have needed to do that, but I did it. Now there is a 10mm back here, and then there are two along the bottom. I'll pull that off and let's see if that shroud will come out. I got the shroud out. 1, 2, 3 bolts. I had to loosen this front guard. Takes these squirrely looking bolts right here, 2 of them. 1 broke. My guard is broke right here. But I pulled the front bolt out, loosened the back one so this would tilt out of the way. Only thing that happened to mine is the cord broke. Now my cord's not running through its hole right now, so it's kind of hanging up when I pull it. Here's the hole that's supposed to go out. Question is, do I have string? I might. I bought some a couple years ago. I've got a pull cord that I've been using out in the field, which is probably a good string. I could just untie that one and feed it through, and that might be what I do. But really it wasn't that hard of a job taking it apart like this. And all I'm doing is replacing the cord. I'm probably not even going to spend any money on it. So you don't have to replace the whole assembly. So we'll pull the old cord through. And I'm going to give it an extra turn. Instead of backing it off to line up with the hole, I'm giving an extra turn. We're going to put at least 1 more twist on it. Okay, I'm starting to string through here. Shove a little bit through. Reach back behind there and grab it. Pull it up, like so. Now shove it through the hole. Wasn't that so much easier? I guess I could probably still put another turn on it. Shorten the cord a little bit. Shove it through the handle. I'm gonna leave it as it is and hope the heck it doesn't cause me a problem. There you go. We done replaced the cord. I could probably still turn it another loop in loading the spring, but I didn't. I can live with it. I'm gonna get a better bowl gasket, then I'll be done with this tiller. Get back to whatever I was going to do today. Thanks for watching my video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and look forward to more videos. I do all sorts of stuff. That's why my channel is Aimless. I'm trying to put out one Mechanic-In video every Friday. And if I do something other than Mechanic-In, I'll usually put it online just as soon as I do it. Just kind of fill in. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this helped people out. Thanks. Remember, if you love life and learning new things, go aimless.com.